Look at that! Look at that! Wow! 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 Colors.
More gold than we had. Okay, I started, I better do the math on that before I tell you. Hey, for curiosity, scan my shirt. It's supposed to get my channel. That was good enough. Hey, jump back and watch these train videos I have. I'm just now starting this train video. Episode 4, I believe we're on. No, next one is 5. Yeah, it's episode 4. I just built this. Worth looking at if you're into this kind of stuff. All right. Yeah, I did want to say to everyone, thanks for watching. This last year's been a blast for me, and I hope you are enjoying these videos. I've had a lot of fun making them. So I hope this next year goes better for everyone. So on that note, Happy New Year. Well, see you on the next. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Share with whoever you think might like it. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It is free. So if you like this other thing, model trains, we're just now going to have episode 5. Episode 4, we just built all this Mount Sea on the next one. It's kind of cool.